How to download text-to-speech languages for Windows 10. On any edition of Windows 10, click Start Settings, and then follow these steps. Select the Start button, then select Settings Time and Language Region and Language. Select Add a language and choose the language you want from the list. Only languages listed in the table below will have text-to-speech capabilities. After the new language has been installed, this may take a few moments. Select it in the region and language list, and then select Options. Under Language Options Speech, select Download. Restart your computer. The text-to-speech voices will be installed when your machine turns back on.
You have selected Microsoft Catherine as the default voice.
You have selected Microsoft James as the default voice.
The following table explains what languages in text-to-speech (TTS) voices are available in the latest version of Windows. Third-party text-to-speech languages. Additional text-to-speech languages can be purchased from the following third-party providers: Parvo Software, CRPROC. Next up, open source text-to-speech languages. Free text-to-speech languages are available for download from open source provider eSpeak. These languages work on Windows 7, and may work on Windows 8, Windows 8.1, or Windows 10. View a list of available eSpeak languages and codes for more information. Download eSpeak languages. In your browser, visit http://espeak.sourceforge.net/download.html. Download the compiled for Windows version, titled Setup_espeak 1.48.04.exe. When the download is finished, click Next at the first setup screen to begin installation. Confirm the installation path, and then click Next. Enter the two-letter code, S, for the language, S, and flag, S, that you want to install. For example, if you plan to add text-to-speech for English, Spanish, Polish, Swedish, and Czech, your screen would look like this. To use alternate voices for a language, you can select additional commands to change various voice and pronunciation attributes. For more information, visit http://espeak.sourceforge.net/voices.html. Preset voice variants can be applied to any of the language voices by appending a +, and a variant name. The variants for male voices are M1, +M2, +M3, +M4, +M5, +M6, and M7. The variants for female voices are F1, +F2, +F3, +F4, and F5. You can also choose optional voice effects such as croak or whisper. Select Next twice, then select Install to complete installation. Thanks for watching. More video.